Now, war takes its toll not only on humans, but on wildlife as well. Researchers at Princeton University in the United States investigated the consequences of 65 years of war on animal populations in Africa. The new study revealed that during armed conflict, the number of large animals like elephants, rhinos, and giraffes decreases. VOA's Deborah has the story.
These endangered bonobos are protected at the world's only sanctuary for the great ape species, in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. In the wild, the animals are found only in an area of the country known for its political instability and armed skirmishes. In the DRC and other African countries ravaged by war, Princeton University researchers analyzed 65 years of data about more than 250 populations of large herbivores. They found that more than 70% of the elephants, rhinos, and other plant eaters were affected by warfare, and as the number of conflicts increased, their populations declined. That happens for a variety of reasons, says Margaret Kinnaird with the conservation group Worldwide Fund International, who was not involved in the study.
You've got ordinances, you've got chemicals being used, you have weapons out there, so that can be directly aimed at wildlife. Soldiers have to live off the land, and that means they're going to be taking bushmeat. They also have to fund their warfare, and that means they're going to be going after commercially important animals and commercially important wildlife products like ivory and rhino horn.
Maintaining conservation programs in war zones and helping animals survive after a ceasefire could help save many vulnerable wildlife populations, the report says. But that's not easy.
You have to be prepared and be very ready to go in after the conflict is over. Get in there as soon as you can and begin mitigation activities is really critical.
Despite the gloomy picture, there is some hope that in post-war, the animal populations can rebound. In Mozambique's Gorongosa National Park, for example, nearly all the wildlife disappeared during the country's 14-year-long civil war. Since fighting ended in 1992, the herds have recovered to 80% of pre-war levels. Deborah, VOA News.